When considering which crops to grow for profit, many people turn their attention to traditional staples like corn, wheat, or even vegetables. But in recent years, something has been quietly taking root in the world of agriculture: succulents. These tough, water-wise plants are more than just trendy decor for homes and offices. They represent a unique opportunity for small-scale and commercial growers alike. So, just how much money can you make from 1 acre of succulents? In this comprehensive guide, we'll break down the numbers, explore key factors that influence profitability, and offer tips for maximizing your revenue from a succulent farm. Let's begin by understanding the appeal and market demand for succulents. Succulent plants, with their unique shapes, vivid colors, and low maintenance needs, have exploded in popularity. They're perfect for busy homeowners, urban dwellers with limited space, and even businesses looking to brighten up office spaces. This surging demand has translated into a booming market, with millions of succulents sold each year through garden centers, online shops, farmers markets, and even subscription boxes. The first step in estimating potential earnings is to look at how many succulents you can grow per acre. Succulents are typically grown in pots or trays rather than directly in the ground, as this allows for better control over soil quality and irrigation. On average, you can fit between 40,000 to 60,000 standard-sized 3-inch potted succulents per acre, depending on your layout and spacing. High-density planting methods can increase this number, but it's important to ensure each plant gets enough sunlight and airflow to prevent disease. Next, let's consider your costs. Starting a succulent farm requires some initial investment. You'll need to purchase starter plants or seeds, pots or trays, high-quality soil, and possibly greenhouse structures if you live in an area with harsh climates. Don't forget irrigation systems, since succulents, while drought-tolerant, still need occasional watering. Labor costs, marketing, and packaging for retail sales also add up. On average, the cost to grow a single succulent in a 3-inch pot ranges from $50 to $1, depending on your scale and sourcing. Now, let's talk about pricing. The price of succulents varies widely based on species, size, and where you sell them. At nurseries or garden centers, a small 3-inch potted succulent typically sells for $2 to $6. Rare or more mature varieties can command significantly higher prices, sometimes 10 times more. If you sell directly to consumers at local markets or through an online store, you can expect to earn the higher end of the price range. Wholesale prices will be lower, but you may benefit from larger, consistent orders. With these numbers in mind, let's do some basic math. Suppose you grow 50,000 succulents per acre. At an average wholesale price of $2 per plant, your gross revenue would be $100,000 per acre. If you sell retail, averaging $4 per plant, that jumps to $200,000 per acre. Now, subtract your production costs. Let's estimate 1 per plant, or $50,000 total. That leaves you with a potential profit of $50,000 at wholesale, or $150,000 at retail per acre per year. Of course, those are just rough estimates. Actual profits depend on several important factors. First, the types of succulents you choose to grow make a big difference. Common varieties like Echeveria, Haworthia, and jade plants are always in demand, but less common species can fetch premium prices from collectors. Diversifying your offerings and including rare or custom hybrids can help you stand out in the market. Second, your sales channel matters. Selling directly to customers through farmers markets, local plant fairs, or your own website brings in more money per plant, but requires more effort in marketing, packaging, and customer service. Selling wholesale to garden centers or online retailers is simpler, but profit margins are lower. Many successful growers use a combination of both approaches. Third, climate and location play a role. Succulents thrive in well-drained soil and dry conditions, so growers in arid or temperate regions often have an advantage. If you're in a wetter area, investing in greenhouses or hoop houses can protect your plants and extend your growing season, but will increase your startup costs. Fourth, Labor and expertise are essential. Succulents are generally low maintenance, but proper care is still required, especially when propagating new plants, managing pests, and preparing orders for shipping. Efficient operations and experienced staff can help reduce costs and improve quality, leading to better profits. Fifth, marketing is key. The most successful succulent farms have strong brands and loyal customer bases. Use social media, especially Instagram and Pinterest, to showcase your plants and attract buyers. Offering workshops, care guides, or subscription boxes can create additional revenue streams and set you apart from competitors. Finally, beware of common mistakes. Overwatering, poor soil, and inadequate airflow are the biggest threats to a succulent crop. Pay careful attention to the needs of each variety, and don't cut corners on infrastructure or quality control. A single outbreak of rot or pests can wipe out months of hard work. In summary, growing succulents on 1 acre can yield impressive profits, potentially between $50,000 and $150,000 per year, depending on your sales strategy and operational efficiency. The succulent market continues to grow, fueled by interior design trends, eco-conscious consumers, and the rise of home gardening. With thoughtful planning, attention to quality, and a strong marketing strategy, even small growers can carve out a profitable niche. If you're considering starting your own succulent farm, take the time to research varieties, connect with other growers, and develop a solid business plan. With patience and dedication, your acre of succulents could become a thriving, sustainable source of income for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of succulent farming profitability. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more smart agriculture tips and insights. Whether you're a hobbyist, a small-scale grower, or dreaming of turning your passion into a full-time business, the world of succulents is ripe with opportunity. Happy growing!